Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start next exercise 6.3 of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties of class 7. So here first of all we'll discuss the angle sum property of a triangle, which one we are going to use to simplify the sums of this exercise. See here, what is this property? You know that this is a triangle, and just remember one thing, that there are three angles in a triangle and the sum of these three angles equals to 180 degree always. Means the sum of angle of a triangle equals to 180 degree. So that means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree, and this is known as the angle sum property of a triangle. So here the very first question is, find the value of the unknown x in the following diagram. Now you can see here in this triangle ABC, these three angles are given. The value of these two angles is given to you already, and this one x angle which is inside the triangle, and we have to find out its value. It means here which one property will use here? Angle sum property of a triangle, because only in this triangle's property the sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 always. So we'll use here this one property in this sum. So let's start this sum. In this sum, in triangle ABC, what are you having? Angle, first one angle is ABC, means angle ABC. This one angle B, it is 50 degree, plus angle BAC means x. It is here BAC as x, and angle, then angle BCA, this one angle is 60 degree. It is equals to 180, because these are the interior angles of a triangle, so their sum will be equals to 180 as by angle sum property of a triangle. So we'll substitute its value here, and after substitution of the values we will simplify this 50 and 64. It means 50 degree plus 60 degree equals to 110 degree, plus x equals to 180 as it is. Now what we'll do further, we will take 110 to the other side, means x equals to 180 minus 110. Now after simplification, here the value of x is 70 degree. So here the value of x is 70 degree here. Now here the next part 2, again we are having a triangle PQR. In this triangle, this one angle P is right angle, means 90 degree, angle Q is 30 degree, and this one x angle R is x. Mean to say here all these three angles are there which are lying inside the triangle. It means here we will apply here by angle sum property of a triangle. So let's start this sum now again. In triangle PQR, angle QPR, see angle QPR plus angle QRP plus PQR. Mean to say, see one time we will take PRQ, these angles inside these angles. See here QPR, then QRP, then PQR. This is the way to write the angles of a triangle, and their sum equals to 180 degree. And don't forget to mention the property which we are going to use while simplifying the sum. Then after that we will substitute its value, means angle QPR, it is right angle, so write here right angle as 90 degree. Then angle QRP, this is x, so write here x, plus PQR, it is 30 degree, so write here 30 degree. Now 90 plus 30, that is 120, plus x equals to 180. It means x equals to 180 minus 120, means the value of x is equals to 60 degree here. So in the same way, with the same process, with the same criteria, you can simplify the third part. Do it yourself. Now let's move to the next part, fourth. Now you can see here that the name of this triangle is nothing is given to us. You can see here. So what we'll do here, we will write here directly the angles, means in the given isosceles triangle, because we can see here these two angles both are equal, they are x and x. It means these two sides will be equal, so that's why their base angles are equal. So here in this isosceles triangle, again these three angles are lying inside the triangle, so we will use here angle sum property of a triangle, means 50 plus x equals to 180. See here 50 plus x equals to 180 degree. Then after that 50 degree will be as it is, x plus x is 2x, because x is 2 times here, so write here 2x equals to 180. Then take 50 to the other side. It means 2x equals to 180 minus 50 degree. It means 2x equals to 130. Means the value of x is 130 degree divided by 2. That is 65 degree. Means here both angles are of 65 degrees here in this part. Then see the next fifth part. In this triangle you can see here all these three angles are equal. It means here this is an equilateral triangle. So again here in the given equilateral triangle, all these angles x plus x equals to 180 by angle sum property of a triangle. Please don't forget to mention it. Then 3 times x is there, x plus x, it is 3x equals to 180 as it is. Then x equals to 180 divided by 3. It means x equals to 60 degree. So you can see here each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Means 60 degree plus 60 degree and 60 degree here. So in this way, with the same criteria, you can simplify the next part of this sum.